Unboxing of my new microphone, that's RODE VideoMicro. Hey guys, this is Lloyd here. Welcome to my channel once again, and first of all I would like to thank each and everyone for all the new subscribers who have joined my channel. Thank you very much, Dilse. Guys, this is your love and support which motivates me to keep on doing new video every week. Thank you very much guys for each and everyone. So guys, today I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of my new microphone, that's RODE VideoMicro. और फ़िलहाल ये माइक्रोफ़ोन मैंने इसलिए ख़रीदा कि कुछ महीने पहले मैं मेरा निकॉन DSLR से मैं लॉगिंग कर रहा था और उसकी जो इनबिल्ट जो क्वालिटी है वो इतनी कुछ ख़ास नहीं है। तो मेरे फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया क्यों ना हम इसे एक माइक्रोफ़ोन ख़रीदे और जो ऑडियो क्वालिटी है उसे और भी बेहतर करे। तो इसलिए मैंने ऐसे जाके ख़रीदा। और आपको तो मालूम है एक वीडियो क्वालिटी और एक ऑडियो क्वालिटी, ये चीज़ दोनों ज़रूरी है लॉगिंग के लिए। सो आइए शुरू करते हैं। Guys, you can find multiple languages written behind the box. So this is a stand with a shock mount along with the mic, and it has a RODE branding and it's a good quality. The plastic used is of a very nice quality and it definitely lasts for a year. The next thing you get inside is a quick start guide which has mention of 2 years warranty. The next thing you get into is a 3.5mm jack which comes into red and black combination, and it has a RODE branding on it and a gold plated, and it has great connectivity. The overall quality of this cable is good. And finally we have the mic itself. Now quickly remove the dead cat. This is how the mic will look from inside. Even this windshield is nicely constructed and has a spongy material and has a popping sound. It even has a RODE branding, which is again good. And finally let's have a look at the mic. The mic is completely casted in aluminum and it is a coated black in color. It has a nice RODE branding, and behind you can see the serial number. On the back side you have 3.5mm jack, and on the front side you can find grill which is constructed into metal. This is all the stuff we got in this box. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna fix this microphone to my DSLR, that's a Nikon, and we're gonna hear the sound quality. So let's get started. Alright guys, तो मैंने अपना ये जो माइक्रोफोन जो है वो फ़िलहाल अभी मेरा निकॉन DSLR पे मैंने फ़िट किया हुआ है. So what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to read some few lines from the book, और आप इसमें जज कर सकते हैं कि इसकी ऑडियो क्वालिटी कैसी है. The story is inspiring. There is a gentleman who works at a rental car agency in Kansas City as a service agent. One day he found a CD on the ground in his service bay. It had been removed from one of the rental cars and was headed for a trash can since there was no way to identify which car it came from. अभी तो फ़िलहाल आपने जज किया हुआ रहेगा कि इसकी ऑडियो क्वालिटी कैसी है. अभी यहाँ पे मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ कि मेरे अभी तो फ़िलहाल ये फ़ैन यहाँ पे ऑफ़ है, तो इसे मैं अभी ऑन करने वाला हूँ और आप इसमें आप जज कर सकते हैं कि इसकी विंड नॉइज़ में कैसा है। अभी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, इसका जो डेड कैट है उसे मैं निकालने वाला हूँ। सो आई एम गोना ऑन द फैन राइट नाउ। ऑलराइट गाइस, तो मैंने अभी फ़िलहाल जो डेड कैट है उसे माइक्रोफोन से मैंने अनप्लग किया हुआ है और मैंने फ़ैन ऑन किया है, तो आप यहाँ पे नॉइज़ एम्बियंट आप सुन सकते हैं। ओके, तो अभी मैं ये डेड कैट को फिट करने वाला हूँ माइक्रोफोन में। और गैस, तो मैंने डेड कैट जो है अभी फ़िलहाल माइक्रोफोन को मैंने अटैच किया हुआ है, तो आप यहाँ पे सुन सकते हैं विद फैन के साथ इसकी आवाज़ कैसे आती है। So right now I'm gonna test the range of this microphone, and I'm right now indoor. The fan is off so that no vibration, no sound has been heard. I'm gonna talk in this same pitch, the same tone. So right now I'm just 5 feet away from the microphone. I'm going back right now. I'm just 8 feet away from the microphone. I'm going back more. Right now I'm just 10 feet away from the microphone. सो ओवर ईयर आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरा वॉइस रेंज जो है ये माइक्रोफोन में कैसे कैप्चर हो सकता है. यू कैन जस्ट हियर इट बाय योरसेल्फ गाइस. सो गाइस, the three things best about this microphone what I liked was the first thing, it require phantom power. You can plug in straight to your DSLR and it starts working. Now you guys must be thinking it definitely must be sucking up a lot of juice from the camera, but surprisingly it does not. If you observe it, hardly it takes 15% difference in the battery life when you attach this microphone to your camera. Secondly, it's a compact microphone. And thirdly, it offers a good quality. And very important thing, let me tell you guys, this mic won't work on any of your camcorders. To get it started on your camcorder, your microphone should have a phantom power. So that's it guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to click that like button, and if you don't like it, don't feel shy to dislike it, but do mention suggestion in the comments below, which helps me to improve. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go right now and click that red button and be a part of my family. So this is Lloyd signing off. Take care. Bye bye until my next video.